Landy, founded in 2000 in Guangdong, Hong Kong, Macau Greater Bay Area, is a new high-tech enterprise integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. Landy has its own brands such as Landy, Pool Liner, TC Cover, and other independent operating brands focus on PVC liner, pool cover, safety pool cover, and its accessories, including pure color of pool liner, pattern liner, customized liner, pool cover, automatic pool cover, safety pool cover, etc. Products had passed CE, AWTA, ASTM, SGS, CNAS, ROSE, and other professional certification. Exported to United States, Canada, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Europe, and other more than 80 countries. Landy is the international brand that tens of thousands of customers preferred. Landy focuses on scientific research and innovation, has dozens of technical research and development personnel, set up 3 frontier laboratories, brings in advanced research and development equipment, including ultraviolet aging machine, tensor testing machine, thermal aging test chamber, skid stop machine, wear tester, etc., with independent research and development capabilities and obtained more than 30 national patents. Landy Research and Development, the 3rd generation of swimming pool liner, used the International Environmental Protection Formula. Safe and non-toxic products meet the standard of infant swimming pool and pass the test of the chlorine resistance, weather resistance, cold resistance, environmental protection, antibacterial, mildew-proof, and other certification tests. Our 3 large imported equipment have 8 color printing configuration. Pool liner reach a daily production capacity of 30,000 square meters. Landy Star product automatic PC pool cover with 1-button remote control function for high-end constant temperature swimming pool to provide a solution. Landy used the high-quality PC raw material, which has good features of the compressive strength, security, anti-corrosion, UV, IP68 waterproof properties. Create plug welding process and buckle technique. Update the automatic cover products in quality and technology. And pass the ROSE CE. It is very popular to customers from domestic and overseas. Achieve daily production capacity of 8,000 square meters. Landy Classic product, swimming pool cover. We import 2-color bubble machine from Italy, 1-time molding, with up to 4.2 meters, without splicing, looks smooth and beautiful to provide quality assurance for products. Landy's production base reached nearly 50,000 square meters, which is strictly controlled according to ISO 9001-2015 quality management system. Landy looks forward to creating brilliant with you.